Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 5. I hope you're all doing great. We're moving into topics revolving sleep and pain, etc., issues of dementia, stroke, things like that. So away from fluids and electrolytes. So to me, anything that's not fluids and electrolytes is better. Starting to feel a little bit like fall here. Yesterday, Sunday morning, as I was responding to people and grading, etc., I was sitting in my living room with my fireplace going and the furnace on. It was 60 degrees in my house when I woke up, and I think 45 degrees outside, so I think fall is here. Let's take a look at what's going on this week. So week 5, let's see, there's the pre-quiz, as is every week, and I see that IT still has not changed the grade book as far as that we just get credit for having it done, not the number of points that are achieved. So just remember that that's being graded based on completion, not correctness. There's the PowerPoints here for you to look at that correspond to the chapters in pathophysiology. And then within that, you can watch these videos as well. There's some readings to do about migraines, postpartum sleep, estrogen receptors in postpartum depression, the opioid epidemic, and some other videos to watch. Then this week we have a case presentation again, and so this you'll be working in your small groups again. The cases are right here for you to choose from. They're regarding some of the topics are stroke, Bell's palsy, what was the other one? TMJ. I can't remember what the fourth one was about. I just read them too. So we're talking about memory this week, so I should brush up on that. So you can read through the case studies and see which one your group prefers to work on. And each case study has about 4 or 5 questions that you'll need to answer. So you will probably have, I would say, 5 to 7 slides that you need to do. The first slide could just be an introduction of the case study, and then you could have 1 slide per question. And it's helpful if you just present the question on the slide and then answer it, narrating it. This time, if we could have you put the name on the slide that you personally create, like maybe on the bottom right corner, I think that would be really helpful, just to make sure everybody is contributing equally. And I haven't looked into this yet, but if possible, I would like you to each narrate your own slide. So if you can't figure that out, and it's easier for one person to do, that's fine. But my goal is really just to make sure everybody's contributing equally. So complete your slide deck by Thursday and have that uploaded. Let's see. And then you're going to share it in the sharing forum. And I just want one person from each group to upload their presentation so that it doesn't get to be too messy and too hard to dig through to find, to make sure everybody is commenting on everybody's presentation. So just one person per group submit. However, each person needs to submit their presentation to the grading in Moodle. So you have to submit your own presentation for grading, but just one person per group put it in the sharing forum. And then by the end of the week, you have to complete the case study viewing, which is similar to the one we did last time, where you just print off the table, and as you're watching, you take notes, and you've got a there's a criteria of what you need to comment on. And critical points, I want you to take away points that are helpful for practice. I don't want you critiquing how the slides were done or colors used or things like that. I want medical points to take away that would be helpful in practice. And then submit that by Sunday. And then there's your workbook pages to complete, and the alternative one as well. If you have any questions, just reach out and let me know. If you haven't seen in the nursing resources site, we are taking a collection for students that were affected by Hurricane Ida. If you are able and or feel the need to contribute, the information for making the donation is in there. I'll be sending those out later this week, so if you're interested, try and get that done. And if you've been affected by Hurricane Ida, please email me directly, because again, we want to help anyone that we can. I hope you guys have a great week, and contact me if you need to. Take care.